Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about limiting who can see prior or past posts that you've made on your Facebook account. Or if you want to hide all of your past posts, for example, this kind of works in the same way if you want to just basically make everything private. And this is being done on the Android or iOS version or app for the Facebook app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Start off by opening up the Facebook app and then select your profile icon in the top right. And you want to go and select Settings and Privacy. Underneath Menu, select Settings. And then scroll down underneath Audience and Visibility, and you want to select Post. Where it says Limit Who Can See Past Posts, click the View button. And at this point, select the Limit Past Post button. You can limit all past posts. The only way to undo this will be to change the audience of each post one at a time. So basically, posts on your timeline you share with friends of friends or public posts will only be shared with friends. Anyone tagged in these posts and their friends may also still see these posts. If you want to change who can see a specific post, you can go to that post and choose a different audience. So again, this is kind of a permanent setting in the sense that you can't undo it all. You have to go post by post if you want to make it all visible to the public again. So just keep that in mind. But pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.